Curtis here, full name Curtis John Lawrence. A lot of my friends in the music world call me Kurt. I've been playing drums when I was 11 years old, so I'm 36 now, so quite a long time. I'm really excited to be on this drumming journey, and I'm enjoying it. I've been playing kind of rock bands since I was really young, kind of like different kind of rock bands, like pop punk bands, new metal bands, that kind of thing. And now I'm focusing more on being independent artist, do my own thing, do my own covers. But I'm also starting a new band with my cousin, which I'm really excited about. But that's kind of more of a slow, ongoing process. But yeah, I found Collision Drumsticks, and they talked about an endorsement deal. And yeah, first thing I noticed about them, they seem really kind and really communicative. I spoke with Carlton, the guy that runs the whole company, and the other staff members I spoke to seem really nice. And I've played them, and I really love. First thing I noticed was how light they are for a hairy drummer. That's really good. And the other thing I noticed was that I really like the natural feel of them. And the other thing I really enjoy about Collision, like I say, first impression, really kind and communicative staff that work there. So you're really excited about this working relationship, and excited to see where we can take it. Oh, and I'm playing the 5Bs. So I'm not using 5B Extremes, I'm playing the 5Bs. Kind of between those two.